establishing our MetaTrader 5 or MT5. So straight, we'll come to this box here, click it, and you see where it says platform, and then you click the platform. Once you click the platform, it brings you to this next place. Then you come to trading, and then under trading, you see HFM platform, MT4, MT5. You can open whichever one that befits you. But for me, I'm going to use it for the purpose of this example. I'm going to be using MT5. So when I click MT5 here, the next thing will come into is this particular window. So when this window is open to you, you're going to scroll down and then you come to where it says download MT5. So you quickly click download MT5. It brings you to this particular window. And then you scroll down, download for Windows if you're using Windows, download for Mac if you're using Mac. For the purpose of this example, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click download for Windows. So my downloading has just begun. Right now, I'm going to click it. The download is open. And we're waiting for the pop-up. Just click yes. Click next. You see it, allow it to download. Don't click any other thing. One thing you must not do, don't sign up for MQL5 services. Don't sign up for it. You don't need it, especially as a beginner. When you become advanced, you can think about it. But for now, as a beginner, don't go for it. Just allow your download to go. When it's done downloading, you click finish to bring you to this particular page. Remember, you registered your account, right? So go to your email and fetch those details I will send to you, your MT5 login and your password. Put in your MT5 login, put in your password, and then come here where it says HFM demo. Click it and make sure you put HFM live. Okay, and then put it live and then you come back and click finish. So let's do that now. Firstly, I want to explain all of these to you. This part that I'm showing you here, right? It's also very vital in the MetaTrader 5. Okay, now your trade shows you whatever you're going to be trading, your balance, the amount you have in your account, your equity, the amount you have left after you have taken a trade, and your free margin, okay? And your history, your exposure. Now, let me talk about the code base very quickly. Most people don't know about code base. Code base is where you can easily download free expert advisors, free indicators. These are developed by developers who just upload it for you to help them test them. And most of them are very good, okay? However, this is not a financial advice, very important. You can go and scroll over them and check whichever one you want, and then you can download it very quickly. Make sure you also check the reviews. Check the reviews. If the reviews are good, you can go ahead and download it. Check whatever you want, and then you can go ahead and use whichever that you are looking for. Also, if you want to buy robots, experts, you can get robot, or you can also go to the MT5 market. Let's take that. So first of all, let's bring this down. Take your arrow to yes, to where you can see this showing you that you can adjust. You can adjust up or down. Let me adjust it downwards. Beautiful. Now that we've adjusted it downwards, the next thing we're going to check. Personally, I like to adjust this, also take it this side a bit. Yes, so now this is beautiful. Let me bring this on here. Okay. We have account. Your account, you click it, you see the account that you're using, your indicators. If you have indicators, you can also see there, your expert advisors. If you have, when you click all of these, you're going to see them. Then market, this is where you can buy robots. You can contact any of these guys. You see these are robots, 1,300 USDs. These are different robots. If you want to buy robot from MQ5 market, you can go ahead and buy from here. All right. Otherwise, there are other persons selling robots. You can also buy robots from your mentors. Okay. Then this is where you have your watch list or your market watch. If you right click, you can see market watch or chart window. You can show all. If you show all, everything will show here. You can scroll from the top to bottom. You can also hide all. Right click and go and hide all. You only see the 4 charts that are open. Okay, the same way you can hide everything and only open the charts that you want to trade. Let's say, for instance, we want to trade HFM, we want to trade USA 30, USA 30, 100. Okay, USA 100, and then we click it USA 100. Right click, chart window. That's how you open it. And then you go and get, you search USA 30, and that is it, USA 30. You go to the USA 30, right click and chat window, and that is it. Okay, bring it down here, bring it down here. We'll show you how you can also arrange them. The next thing we call file, view, insert, charts, tools, windows, and so on and so forth. So we want to make sure that we have all the tools we needed to be displayed on the screen. All right, so you come to view, your status bar is automatically displayed. Your chat bar, where is your chat bar? If I click it, you see these things you're seeing here, the charts that were written here, they are no longer written here. Go back again and click chat bar, and you see they are back. All right, you go back, you click, the status bar is already there. If I click status bar, you can see no status bar is written here, they're gone. Let's go back and bring them back. You can see they are back now. All right, and then we have the toolbars. Under the toolbar, you have standard, line studies, and time frame. If I click time frame, they are already automatically set. Some brokers don't automatically set them. Okay, so in case you have a different broker and then you open your MT5 and you see that they are not automatically set, all you have to do, come to toolbars and you see that if you don't see it tick good, you can go ahead and tick it good. So if we remove standard, you can see the tools that were here, they are no longer here. Let's go back and click it and add it there. Now they are back. You can see they are back, right? Okay, beautiful. Now on this place, there are some tools that are hidden. Of course, you might not know it because I've been trading for a long time. I know that there's some tools are hidden here. So what do? Go to any of the beginning of the chart of the tools. You can see a line here or a line here also. You can go there, hold, click and hold, and then drag it to any part of the screen you may want to leave it. Now you see that. I can see these were hidden previously. Now they are open for us. So look at this particular, it said arrange windows as non-overlapping tiles. You can also use alternate plus arrow to get them done. So if you click alternate arrow, your windows are arranged. Okay. If you also click it here, your windows are arranged. So this is how you arrange your windows back to default. Okay. And then let's open a chart and then start from there. Let's open a GBP USD chart. I still think this screen is not big enough. I can take it a little further. You can always adjust the way you want, okay? If I want to bring this USA 100 into this chart, I can just go to USA 100, hold, go to USA 100, hold, and drag it into this chart. You can see now I have USA 100 sitting here. This chart here on the chart bar. If I want to remove them, I just go there, right click, and close. It's gone. Go there, right click, and close. It's gone. Without using much time, let's go back to USD JPY, or let's use the Euro USD. Let me zoom it out. Take note of the color. It's bold, but here it's gray. When you see it gray like this, it tells you that this particular broker either has another contract for these particular instruments, or it could be that there's a problem. Your network is not on, or there's just a problem. You must go and troubleshoot. You must go and check what the situation is. But first thing you need to check is to find out if your broker has another contract for this particular pair. So let's, for example, use the Euro USD. Euro USD is here, but it's gray. So let's search Euro USD if there are more than one Euro USD. Euro USD. Oh, you can see there are two Euro USD, so we are right. Then, if the normal Euro USD we click, the first one is the one showing us gray. So let's click the Euro USD Z. Euro USD Z, beautiful. We can see it is on. Right. It is on. So let's click, hold it, and bring it to the chart. We have our Euro USD on board. You can go ahead and do the rest just like that. Set whatever chart you want to trade. Another simple way you can use to find how to set the instrument you want to trade, just hold your control and click U, control U. It will bring you to symbol. All right. And then you can go to indices, you can go to Forex, you can go to commodities, bonds, and search whatever you want. Let's say Forex Z, for example, we want to add any other one. Let's say we want to add ZAR JPY. Double click on it and it's added, and just click OK. You can see ZAR JPY here. Right click and go to chart window, and there you are. See the way the chart is. This is the default chart. Okay, this is the default chart. Now, if you want a full screen, your full screen, there are different options. One simple thing about this is this: everything is self-explanatory. Okay, in case you don't even know anything, if I don't even continue these teachings, they are all self-explanatory. What you have to do, take your cursor to any of the subject that you are not used to. It will show you a title. It will write it out. For instance, let's come here. You can see it tells you it's 30 minutes. You take it further here, it shows you it's 4 hours. We come here, it shows you zoom out, zoom in. You can see they are all written. This is line chart, this is bar candlestick, and this is bar chart. It doesn't only show you what it means or the title of that particular bar that you're seeing, it also shows you the alternative way to open it. Okay, look at this. Draw Fibonacci retracement and draw equidistance channel. This one is what? Draw trend line. Okay, let's start with the trend line. Hold, and that is it. That is your trend line right there. Okay, and this is horizontal, draw horizontal line. Let's go to horizontal line. We draw horizontal line. That is it right there. So what about if I want to delete the horizontal line? Just go right click, go on it, make sure your mouse is on it. You right click and then you can delete. If you want to edit it, you can go to the horizontal line or any of the line you've drawn out, go to it, draw on it and go to properties. On properties, you can change the color. Let's say I want to change it to orange, and then the size, you can come here and change the size. Let's say I want to make it this thick, and right click, you can see that. See how big it is. You can always drag it to the whichever part you want it to be. And if you want it to stay and be sticky to the chart, you can double click on it. You can see it's there now. I can't just go and shake it. It can't move. So if I want to go take it back for me to be able to adjust it, I double click on it again. I can adjust it. All right. So another beautiful thing you can do, you have your crosshair. You can always use your crosshair from the chart, and then you can also use your crosshair from your mouse. Just click the middle button and you can get your crosshair. Okay, and of course, new order. You can see new order. You can go to your new order to execute trade and come to your market execution for immediate execution. You set your volume to whichever volume you want, and you set your stop loss, whatever stop loss you want. You can also set your take profit. You can sell or you can buy. Okay, if you also want to set a pending order, you click here, go to pending order and come to the type and click either buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, whichever you want to set. And then you go and set your volume, of course, and then put a price that you have seen you want to set your buy limit on. In case you're giving a price to say, we are putting a buy stop or we are doing a sell stop. So you go to buy stop, put your volume, the lot size you want to use, and set the price that was given to you or that you have seen that will be the point for you to activate that buy stop. And then you put your stop loss and of course your take profit, and then you place. Okay. Then the last thing we're going to be looking at is designing our chart. All right. Before then, let's go to a full screen. All right, let's put on a full screen. If you want to remove all of these you're seeing on the chart so that you can have a full chart window. So if you go to Control M, it will remove the market watch. Beautiful. It's like magic, right? But it's not magic. Control M and it's back. Voila. All right. So the same thing. This is your navigator where you find your account, your indicators, expert advisors, and script and all. This place is called navigator. Now, if you want to remove your navigator, you can simply come here and close the window there. Otherwise, you can also click Control N and the navigator is back. You can also click Control N and it's gone. Now, let's remove the navigator and let's remove the market watch. This particular place is called a terminal. All right, we want to remove the terminal. How do we do that? We click Control T. So Control T, we have removed the terminal. We are left with the full chart. Another thing I also want to show you is this particular part of the screen here. If you can see it very well here. Okay, now beautiful. This is a shortcut for buy and sell, immediate execution. If you click it here, you can see the shortcut just shows. So you can easily just sell and you can also easily just buy. Before you execute immediately, always make sure you set your volume. Very important. Okay. Quickly, let's design our chart. Right click, go to properties, and then you can see what you want to design. Let's start with common. Now we want to use candlestick chart. We don't want to use bar chart. This is what it's showing. We don't want to use line chart. We want to use candlestick chart. And basically, I always recommend to leave the common on basic. And then go to show. Show is where you can decide what you want to show and what you don't want to show. You want to show OHL, OHLC, you can see it here. You can go ahead and show it or not. But most cases, I prefer to only just click here, show ask price, show last price. Those are the major things I want to see. Some people like to show separate period separators. Some people don't like it. For me, I don't like it. I don't also like trade levels, show trade levels. I don't like showing it, but you can decide to do it. You can also decide to put anything you want to show. Read volumes, you want to put it there. You don't want to see it, you can also click it. All right, so it's all your choice. Then the next is colors. Now on the colors, you can use different yellow on black, green on black, black on white. You can see it, everything is changing. Just like that, you can change. All right, so I want to design my own. Let's go from the scratch. The background, I can change the background to black. I can change the foreground to white. All right, and then I can change the grid. The grid are this line you're seeing here. I can decide to say the grid, I want the grid to be the same color of the background so that it doesn't appear at all. And then the bar up and bull candle. They represent the bar. These are bars, the wick of the candle. They are referred to as bars. All right, so I can say I want the bar to be blue. Beautiful. You can see it's blue. Or we can make a lighter blue. This is a lighter blue, right? And I can also say I want to leave it on red, make it a darker red, and this also a better blue. Yeah, and red. Okay, so this is the chart I may want to see. Depending on what you want, you put yours. Let's make a lighter blue here, and so on. And then the line charts, let's say I want a white line chart. Any color that you want. The volume, let's say you want orange. You just go ahead and set the last chart, I want blue. As you're setting them, you'll be seeing them display on the screen. Okay, stop levels, pure red. And then when you're done, you click OK.
This video is also posted to our YouTube channel where we provide our full Forex trading course for free. Hurry, go to my bio right now and click follow. Then click the link on my bio to join our community for free US 30 trading signals.